Alright, today we're just going to be montaging a build. Basically more of these shelves that I have here. But it's going to be hangers right next to it. You can see that's how it's going to look. This one's for dresses and shit. This one is for coats. There'll be two hangers, and then maybe at the bottom we'll put some for shoes at a later point. But we're just going to montage this whole one, see what happens. erected here. Dresses on this side. Over here, there's going to be one up top, one on bottom to hang coats, and I think I'm going to put maybe some planks on the bottom at some point to store more stuff. I'm just going to finish drilling the holes for the bars to go across, and we'll see how it looks. I'm going to put feet on the bottom. This floor isn't level down here. I'm going to put little bolts in the bottom so I can screw and unscrew to kind of level it. Doesn't need to be level, but I also want to get it up off the floor so the wood ain't touching the floor. Alright, so that is it. My head is big. That is it. Up here we have 2 bars for hanging the dresses, so you can have 2 rows of dresses. Nothing down here, as it's just open. Over here we have a bar here and 1 bar up here. Bring it over there. So what it is, I pocket drilled everything in. This thing can completely come apart. There's no glue or anything. It's going to be unstable till we load it, but it is hefty. So I drilled holes all the way through. For these bars, I took apart the old hanger thing that we bought from Walmart, and I just reused those bars here. Same with here, just a old bar. And then this bar was just sitting in the house somewhere, so I cut it down and it fits. So that is it. Next thing we'll do is we'll load it up, see if she holds, and then see if we can add anything else to it, like a shoe area. But I think once we fill it up, it's gonna be full.